What's up, YouTube model community? It's Mopar Mike coming from the train room. This is my official video on the Dodge Truck Month. I just thought I would go over some colors that I was thinking about doing. I said gold and tan or cream color. Probably this gold and tan. But my gold I got's a little bit bright, so I'm going to take some of this copper and maybe mix it, darken the tone up a little bit. And how I was going to do it was it's going to be gold in the center and then tan on the top and the bottom. But right now I'm going to open this kit up and I'm going to go through it, look at the sprues a little bit and check see if there's any warpage or any missing parts or anything. So just to put them into a soap and water bath and clean them up a little bit, and then I'm going to start it. Been a hectic week, but we're getting it through it. I think I'm gonna leave the clear parts in there, so I'm not too much worried. They look pretty good, no scratches that I can see, and the chrome parts I'm just gonna leave all of them intact, so to speak. But let's see what we got here. I know I got that one body's got a caved in quarter panel, but from the looks of this one it's alright. But let me take it out of the bag and I'll just kind of do a quick look see. Oh, I do not have a whole lot of room here. One of these days. Anyway, cut this open. I've been wanting to do this for quite a while. I also been working on a P38 project that I started some time ago. I just put the final dull coat on the paint, and I should be doing a final video for that. It was my father's birthday last Thursday and my mom's today, so what I was going to do is finish up the P38 and give it to him for his birthday. A celebration we're going to have this weekend, but oh, that looks good. Oh, but this looks pretty rough. That's going to take some sanding and some careful cutting there. I mean, I don't too much care for that. Same here. Look at the sprue. It's got quite a bit of flash on it, just what I've seen so far. The body looks to be straight, but I just don't like those. Be careful. Okay, the interior tub looks pretty decent. Looks all of that flash. Set this off to the side. Let's see what the rest of these parts look like. Yeah, I've heard some stuff about these kits that the warpage and some badly formed parts, but mine, other than that sprue or that injectors all over the body, which is going to be fun to get out. That sprue looks pretty straightforward. Looks pretty decent. Your chassis. Alright. Here's some more parts. I wish it had a separate rim pieces on it, but not the hollow version here. But same way with the four-wheel drive. The front hog head. I'm probably gonna go with the stock engine. I may wire it, and I may not. Which I'll be buying another kit like this. There's some more projects that I want to do with one. Uh-oh, just dropped the piece. Might have been a piece of flash. Anyway. The hood looks pretty good. Oh, I do like the way the hood. It's got the under panel detail under the hood. I like that. Oh, I got a spare tire. Too bad it didn't come with a full size another tire. Got a jerry can. in the rack. That's gonna look pretty cool. I think it's got a 360 in it, or 318. That looks pretty good. Little to no flash on these sprues here, just on the body. Well, fellas, like I said, that's kind of a quick look-see at the kit. And I'm going to probably start, hopefully I have it done before the end of October. That's my goal. And like I said, I'm going to tan on top, gold in the center tan. I may, if I get the styrene parts, I may build a custom bumper for it with a brush guard type bumper. Possible. But we'll see. Time constraints. But till then, just stay tuned for another update video. On the P38, I should have a final in the next several days. I will have one probably before Sunday, but might be seeing it on Monday. As usual, y'all take care out there. Be safe. God bless each and every one of you guys. And looking forward to the rest of these builds. Later.